sprayer I've never seen before. Self-propelled, really high, just like the Fendt. Pretty cool, like crop dividers. And then here's the pull type. 20,000 liters. That's a big pull type. Another sprayer. A striker. What kind of meat missile are you getting?
Barbecue glaze. Barbecue glaze.
Quick half liter. What's Cheers again?
I don't know. So good.
Lumpkin has a lot of tillage and mostly specialize in tillage, and then they have a planter in the middle. This is like their high-speed disc. 2 sets of discs and harrows, and then kind of their rolling basket at the back. This is the Canadian Ag Equipment Pavilion. All Canadian equipment. And here we got the Borgo frame-mounted seeder. Degelman in the back. Different Borgo openers that they offer. Everyone's drinking. This is where we feel the most comfortable. Just the small Degelman harrows though, not the 120s. Just the small ones. Right way rock picker. Here I'm convinced there are no rocks, because walking not through the fields but from the road, I don't see any rock piles or nothing. The land is pretty good here. Got all the different Batterstad planters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Us Canadians drinking are gonna get a picture by the moose. Oh yeah. More planters. Sky Agriculture. A lot of planters here. Coon sprayer. Front booms. Pull type. Horse booth, big booth. Is their high speed. Is this a Joker? I think this is a Joker. Planter. Got their sprayers at the back there. Every big booth, it seems, has a little restaurant and a little toy store, clothing store attached to it. I didn't expect that, but that's actually a pretty cool thing. You gotta walk through all these halls, and then between the halls there's all these pretzels and beers and hot dogs. Vendors. Next hall's John Deere. John Deere and Claas, see what they got. This hall's big and busy. Got the X9 with kids climbing all over them, which is good. 9RX, 640 9RX. Got some John Deere promo thing going on. .45-foot HD header. Find my group before I get lost. John Deere forage harvester. Lots of smaller loader tractors and balers. Another sprayer from the Zati by John Deere. Claas quad track, 590. It's roped off. Not a lot. Some of the equipment's roped off. You can't climb in and out of the cabs on some stuff. A lot of stuff you can. Claas Lexion 8900 combine. Claas has also a huge booth here. This whole booth is half John Deere, or the building's half Claas, half John Deere. Stairs going up to see the cab. Pretty popular place in here too. Claas forage harvester on tracks. A lot of these too. We've got a 3-seater snow pusher. Big tracks, big blade. Really good for pushing snow in Canada. Clearing out the yards or making sled trails, I'd say. So this is, I don't know if I'm saying this right, Grimme sugar beet harvester. That company is in partner with Spudnik to make potato harvesters. So this is one of the biggest sugar beet harvester on the market. There's the name, Grimme or something. This is a Rexor 6300. Just a beast of machine. This is their discharge. And then what we call the clean grain elevator going into their hopper. The ladder to go see the cab. We're definitely in the sugar beet potato harvester hall. This one has onions demonstrated in front, so now I'm really confused on what's what. Regardless, pretty cool machines. This is an apple harvester. Quick video of the video. Some big spreaders, slurry tanks. We're back in the Fent booth after a long day. Time for the bus to leave. We hit every hall during the day that we were here. Yeah, the map is bigger than it looks. Little cheat card here. This is the Fent hall. All their equipment on display. That's where it is. A little cheat card here about where the other equipment is in Agritechnica. Pretty good day.
Die Mama schon ganz nervös hier. Meine Güte. Gib Gas, gib Gummi. Los, Vollgas geben. Vollgas. Oh nein, oh nein. Was ist hier passiert? Du musst nochmal anholen, aufholen.
More power.
He's a
67.